Love seeing everybody so excited, but let's talk about what is going on weather-wise out there. The good news is we haven't seen any severe storms just yet, Tony.
Yeah, and we're hoping, Marquise, that that's going to be the case. The one thing that I think is helping us out, you and I were talking about this, the cool waters there in the Eastern Gulf.
It's almost a double whammy for us. A case of two really good scenarios. It's a slow-moving frontal system, right? So now temperatures are cooling with sunset. So we've got cool waters and also cool temperatures inland.
And rain. It's going to help us out big time. That's the key right there. All right, let's kick this off. I want to show you what's going on one more time. Live look in outside, as Marquise said. Again, we're going to get 2 for 1 here. We're going to get that rain. We got a little bit of wind, though. We're going to have to watch that. And then, of course, as you can see there, we've got temperatures that are starting to cool down up to the north, still around 80 here in the metro areas. But the big story is this line. I think once this comes ashore, it's over as far as the severe weather threat is concerned for me. Now, it's a pretty good little push of thunder and lightning here. A lot of lightning strikes in this little stretch. It's coming right at the villages, right at Rutland. I think you guys are going to see a pretty good amount of rain. There's that little batch of dark reds there. There's some strong gusty winds. This is right over and on top of Hernando, and will continue now to build back towards the east very quickly, I might add, at about 40 to 50 miles an hour. There's your estimated times of arrival, folks. And one of the other things that Marquise and I have been looking at are these little pieces of energy coming on shore, and they appear to be weakening as they do so. So that is certainly some good news. Rain now getting in up towards Palm Coast. There's the track. A couple sprinkles now approaching the track at this hour. I think the best thing that NASCAR did today was bump that race up by an hour. Otherwise, we might be dealing with that towards the back end of the race, and that's not happening. As we know, we've got the winner. In DeLeon Springs, a couple light showers now. The metro areas, quiet for now, but look off towards the north and the west, back towards Rutland, the villages. This will be working on in between about 8 and about 9:30 tonight. The other area of concern, some brush fires now. We've been talking about this. Smoke over the turnpike. A decent brush fire there now, south and west of the turnpike. These winds are going to stay gusty for a while, but hopefully, Marquise, we can get some of that rain in here shortly.
Yeah, the rain is going to be much needed. I'm going to take a look at the drought monitor coming up momentarily, but let's start with the wind. Even in areas that haven't seen showers quite yet, you have certainly been breezy. Strongest gusts in Orlando, 35 miles per hour. Winter Haven, 37. So winds are a major impact that we'll continue to watch out for as the rain showers start to move across the metro. And we also have the chance for some heavy rain. Can't rule out hail. And we just dropped the tornado watch that was in place for Flagler County. Out the door in Orlando as we take you outside, still trending warm, right? We hit the 80s already this afternoon, but now as the sun begins to set, we'll see these numbers begin to fall back. 79 degrees with a wind from the southwest sustained at 20 miles per hour. Elsewhere, though, it's a mix of 70s and 80s all across central Florida. We'll be falling back into the 50s and 60s tonight. But here's a look at your current wind gusts across Orange County. 26 mile per hour conditions in Lake Buena Vista. Windermere, 24. Downtown Orlando, 25 mile per hour gusts. So we're breezy all across the region, and we'll see the winds continue all the way through midnight, in which we're tracking the chance for any other severe thunderstorms, but that'll taper away overnight and we'll be left with partly cloudy skies. Ultimately, those will take you hour by hour. Notice how temperatures are cooling ahead of the line of showers and storms moving in, so we don't have that instability from those maximum daytime heated temperatures in the afternoon. Would be a lot more unstable if this front was moving into temperatures in the lower 80s. Nevertheless, though, cooling into the 60s after the rain passes by 8 o'clock in Ocala. Now we're starting to see the showers across the I-4 corridor. Some heavy rain coming your way. Pushing offshore, though, as we make our way closer to the midnight hour. Then by 2 o'clock, we're all trending dry. Even the rotation risk is going to begin to fade once it passes over the I-4 corridor. Therefore, that chance for any tornadic potential is going to be minimized. Tonight, though, temperatures fall anywhere between 57 and 62 degrees once the showers are said and done. And then that severe weather risk is no longer here in central Florida tomorrow. What we can stack up, though, some much needed rain, 2 to 3 inches across some of our westernmost communities. And they need it the most, as that's about a 2 to 3 inch drought that they've been under so far for the year 2026. As we move across your day planner, we're back in the 70s tomorrow. Cooler to start off the work week, but warmer temperatures are just around the corner. By Thursday, we could hit the 80s in Daytona Beach, and inland you'll hit the 80-degree mark on Wednesday. 82 for your high with plenty of sunshine, and we'll carry that sunshine into your weekend too with highs in the mid 80s.